and for being such an incredible example of what light and love is. And this today is a celebration of survival. Y'all are my family. Houston is my home. I thank God that y'all are safe, that your children are safe. The thing that really matters is your health and your children and your family and your diet. And I just want to say I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you to God that I've been blessed so that I can bless other people, and I ask you guys to continue to do that for other people.
Yes.
And I just want to add something very brief to that. You know, I was saying my morning prayer on the flight here today, and what I kept thinking about afterwards was loss. And I was thinking about God.
Downtown Houston, Beyonce's back home at her home church. Just Be Good along with Bread of Life. They fed about 400 people and she is meeting all 400 and taking pictures. Pretty incredible. They also are giving all of them Nike Air Jordan, donated Air Jordans to everybody as well. Trying to get you one more shot. My home church too, by the way, y'all. This is why I'm here. And out they go.